Durable, anodized machined aircraft aluminum construction. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Sliding metal sleeve protects USB port. White LED with high and low modes. High 350 lumens. 2950 candela peak beam intensity. 109 meter beam distance. Runs 1.5 hours. Low 90 lumens. 840 candela peak beam intensity. 58 meter beam distance. Runs 3.5 hours. Fully regulated output for consistent lumen performance over the battery life. Lithium-ion battery fully recharges in product in 2.5 hours. Rechargeable up to 300 times. Top reviews from the United States. Quality pocket light. I have had this light for 2.5 years, it's had a hard life every day. I am a field mechanic, I have dropped, submerged it as a dipstick, an uncountable amount of times. The switch is just fine. The problem lies in the cap coming loose once in a while. Maybe every few months I have to take 3 seconds out of my day to tighten it back up. My guess is the people having trouble with this light never learned righty tighty. I charge it once every other week and use it daily. My only gripe is I am on my 5th clip. I seem to lose those regularly.